Yes, yeah.
Please
so we'd like to
Maharaj.
welcome His Holiness Gopāl Kṛṣṇa Goswāmī Maharaj. Thank you so much, Maharaj, for gracing this occasion with your presence. And Maharaj has been a great, great inspiration for all Indian Yatra and I mean for all throughout the world, for increasing this book distribution to the level we are seeing it right now, and his esteemed leadership. Just within NCR region, around 1/3 of the India's target is realized just in NCR region, wherein around 78 lakh books are distributed. This marathon, it is all with the inspiration of Maharaj, and Maharaj has been constantly inspiring all the devotees throughout the world. And we would like to request Maharaj to encourage and congratulate all the Indian Yatra for this wonderful achievement. Thanks so much.
Hare Krishna. First, I want to thank the ICC executive team for organizing this program. I see that the leaders in India are really pushing for book distribution. We all know that Prabhupada encouraged printing and distribution of books. Thakur Bhaktivinoda was the first great acharya who did international book distribution. In 1896, the year that Prabhupada appeared on the planet, he sent a book on the life of Thakur, the life of Lord Chaitanya, to universities around the world. Bhakti Siddhantaji also encouraged his disciples to print and distribute books. As you know, when he drew a picture of a mridanga, he told Prabhupada, if Krishna gives you money, print and distribute books. So when Prabhupada also took his Guru's order very seriously, Prabhupada encouraged book distribution. Why? Because these books contain transcendental knowledge spoken by the Supreme Lord. And a Vaishnava is Paradukha Dukhi. Seeing others in distress, he also feels distressed. And out of his compassion, he goes out to preach. So devotees in India have taken to book distribution very seriously. Actually, the devotees all over the world are committed to book distribution. For example, in Kazakhstan, where it's extremely cold, there's one Mataji Krishna Naika who goes out every day of the year on book distribution, even though it is illegal in that country. The devotees everywhere know, if you want to please Prabhupada, you should distribute books. Prabhupada wanted book distribution to go on. Why? Because his books are capable of saving humanity. And Prabhupada said these books are real chanting and hearing. So devotees worked hard, and the leaders worked hard, and then the combined result was they got book distributed. We also saw in the Bhagavatam marathon, devotees worked hard, and the Bhagavatam distribution was very impressive. So we should keep encouraging book distribution. Once I arranged a book display of Prabhupada books in International Book House in Bombay. That was in 1976. Not many books were sold after a 1 month display. Prabhupada said, my books are sold due to the enthusiasm of my devotees. And in a bookshop, salesmen are not so enthusiastic. We have seen wherever there is enthusiasm, results are positive. So I want to thank all the devotees, junior and senior, took part in this marathon. We should continue to encourage book distribution. Prabhupada cared for serving humanity. The Prabhupada was residing at Radha temple in Vrindavan. He used to take a tonga to go to Mathura station and travel in a third-class compartment from Mathura to Delhi. And then go to Chibiwara, buy paper. And then personally supervise the book distribution. Personally supervise the book production. And after the books were ready, he would go and distribute them. Once while distributing books in Kirot Place, he had a sunstroke. And Prabhupada who had a sunstroke. But as soon as he came back to full consciousness, he resumed his book distribution. Prabhupada used to go to the coffee house in Delhi to distribute books. We'd go and sit down next to the people drinking coffee and preach to them about these books. Why did Prabhupada encourage book distribution? This book distribution will save humanity. Sometimes we think that book distribution doesn't have any effect. This is wrong. These books have transcendental knowledge that can save humanity. There's a simple story. Once, very recently, one person had, one businessman, he repaired a businessman who was fixing trunks. He found.
After this, Rishi Kumar will get speak and then we can start awards because time okay.
These books have changed the lives of millions of people and they will continue to change. Prabhupada said, these books should one day become the law books of the world. And Prabhupada said, if you want to please me, distribute my books. We know that famous quote. And Prabhupada said, our books are quality inside, quality outside. That means he wanted our books to be presented very nicely. Prabhupada was very keen the books be printed nicely and quality inside. It means it's transcendental knowledge. So this world today is short of this knowledge. And this knowledge is there in Prabhupada's book. Let us continue to be determined to distribute these books. And as the previous speakers have said, and as we have often emphasized, we need to read these books also. Prabhupada said, when Krishna sees us reading his books, he's very pleased. Krishna sees, here is somebody trying to understand me. So let me give him the understanding, which he can come to me. We have to devise plans by which we can get feedback from those who buy these books. This is one area where we are lacking. And we also have to study these books. Prabhupada wanted us to study these books. ISKCON is like an educational institution where we have transcendental books to study. So we should continue to distribute and study these books. And these books will show light to suffering humanity. Prabhupada said, books are the basis. So book distribution was encouraged by Prabhupada. He took his spiritual master's order to heart. The spiritual master especially told him, distribute books and print books. And because Prabhupada was true to his guru, we see that his institution is continuing to expand. And we can see that book distribution is also continuing to expand. Prabhupada wanted his books to be printed in all the languages of the world. Today the Bhagavad Gita is available in more than 60 languages of the world. And very recently, he printed a deluxe edition of the Urdu Gita in Pakistan. And it's a very nice presentation. And even in Pakistan, book distribution is going on. And book print publishing. Right now they are publishing the 5th canto in Bhagavatam in Urdu language. So we should endeavor to learn these books. We should not foolishly think, oh, nobody wants to read these books. No. There are always sincere souls who are saying, who are waiting for someone to give them these books. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Haridas and Lord Nityananda, Guru Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Kuru Krishna, Krishna. So this message we have to carry to every corner of the globe. And if we make an effort, Krishna will give us success. Thank you very much for organizing this program. And in a letter, Prabhupada said, now we should place the Srimad Bhagavatam and the Chaitanya Charitamrita in every house. He said, in every house, you place these books. So it's nice that devotees are also distributing Bhagavatam sets. And Prabhupada wanted to be with Srimad Bhagavatam and the Chaitanya Charitamrita to be available in every house in India. So let us continue to distribute these books enthusiastically. And Prabhupada said, as long as book distribution goes on, I will never die. So Prabhupada will continue to preach with books. We should study his books and endeavor to distribute his books. That will please Prabhupada and all our acharyas very much. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Maharaj, for your really inspiring words. You have reminded us of Śrīla Prabhupada's hardships in printing these books and distributing these books. And you have also reminded us of the importance of distributing these books and reading these books ourselves, studying these books personally, and placing of Srimad Bhagavatam Chaitanya Charitamrita sets in each and every house. So thank you for giving us a vision and an understanding. Thanks so much.
Thank all of you again for organizing this program and encouraging book distribution. Thank you very much.
Maharaj, if you can just kindly stay on for a few minutes for giving the awards, it will be very inspiring for people.
I'm at your service. I just have a bad throat.
Oh,
I'm at your service.
okay, Maharaj. Okay,
No, I'm on the line.
okay. In a few minutes, we'll be just distributing the awards in
No
case
problem.
it's possible, Maharaj. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank you, Maharaj.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.